LS provides 5-axis machining services for automotive components, aerospace parts, medical devices, automation systems, robotics assemblies, UAV drone hardware and related industries. LS and its certified partners hold multiple international accreditations, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001, guaranteeing compliance with global quality standards. While these certifications are fundamental, our relentless pursuit of excellence demands meticulous attention to every component detail, ensuring every product we deliver not only meets but consistently surpasses customer expectations.